Hey guys, I hope y'all are having a good day. It is around noon, a lot earlier than I normally come to the bin, so I'm hoping for lots of bin changes and lots of stuff while I'm here. Let's go shopping. This is a good sign. I just got here and they're changing out the walls. I just spotted this Christmas train in here and it looked vintage, so I looked it up and it's going for about $75. I don't know if it works or not. But even if somebody wanted it as decor, oh, that takes a lot of batteries. Oh no, it's missing the top piece on this one. Let me see if I can find it. They have some of the train tracks as well. So this one's good. And this one is good. Look how pretty that is. I love it. And I guess I might as well get the tracks as well. So I need to see if I can find the top piece on here. Here's some of the batteries. Here it is. This is it. It's cool. That's exciting. All right, y'all let me know if y'all are interested in that. How cute are these tiny little shoes? All right, let's go dig on the wall. All right, I found a few things. Look at this leather Bible. I love the color of it. It's definitely been well worn and used and loved. And then I got these two glass jars. I love them. Look at the cute little handles on them. I would use them kind of like apothecary jars in the bathroom to put Q-tips and cotton balls and stuff like that in. And then I got these little measuring cups. It is missing the 3/4 cup, but I feel like that's not a big deal because I'm keeping them for myself. I need to look this up, but I think this is really pretty. It's some little trays. It's made in Sweden from Scandinavian birch wood. So I don't know. I'm gonna think about these. I'm gonna look them up. Y'all let me know what y'all think. And then I got these little tarnished silver little vanity pieces. Try not to break the glass here. Let me pick that up. There we go. All right. Ooh, it's heavy too. These are adorable. All right, they're about to fill up the other side, so I'm gonna go dig over there. Well, that was madness. I kind of forgot how crazy it was in the middle of the day. Okay, I got this book. First of all, love this blue color, and look at the texture on these pages. So I got that. Also got a few bags of linens, but I still need to look through those. Then I found another Bible. I'm gonna sell these two together. Look how beautiful. This one's like a dark green leather. Love the look of these two together. Look at this little hooded mail holder. Brass. Beautiful. You know I was getting this. So cute, but it's missing the top, but I still have to save it. I love the look of it. I don't even care that it's missing the glass top. This will look adorable just on a little stack of books. Look how cute. This cute little rattan little bench. I would put a succulent or a little tiny plant on that. What else I got? Oh, I always pick up these when I find them. I feel like I had something else that fell. What else did I have? Was that it? Maybe so. All right, let's go dig some more. I found some more vintage books. Look at the color of the pages. I might even take the cover off because you see how this one is already starting to come off. Look at the texture that is under there. I love this. So I'm definitely going to get both of these. Oh, also found some stuff. Sorry, I haven't been filming too much digging through the bins. There's a lot of people here, so it makes it really difficult. Okay, this is signed by the artist. Look how adorable this is. I love this so much, so I'm gonna be getting that. Also, I love the blue color. And then look at this crocheted blanket, y'all. Look at it. It's cream and navy blue stripe. Some little boy needs this in his little vintage room, or girl, or wherever, because I feel like these colors are perfect. But when I see navy blue, I just think of little boys. Okay, I just heard them. Okay, they're moving some bins around. Oh good, I dug through those already. So I'm gonna keep digging. Oh, a rainbow one. Ren loves these and she loves rainbow. If you ask her what her favorite color is, she says rainbow. I'm gonna get her that, and I also got her this little unicorn. It's very bright pink and a rainbow tail, so she is going to love it. Here's a whole flock Christmas tree. I think it's a whole tree anyway. I think I'm gonna wait for one more bin change and then I'm gonna head out for the day. I did find 2 more things. Look at this cute little basket. Love it. It actually looks so good with this blanket, and I'm pretty sure somebody handmade this. Definitely with a scroll saw. I love it. Let's see, while we're waiting, I might as well show y'all some clothes I got. So this is for me. I love this color, and I've been into just wearing t-shirts to work out with. So it's a men's shirt, but I don't care. It's just to work out at the gym. This is for my teenage son. It's from Goodfellow, which I think is Target, and he really likes camouflage, so this is kind of like subtle camouflage tie-dye thing happening here. I think he'll like it. This is also for him. This is a super nice shacket, although he hates that word, so I will not call it a shacket, but I think he's really gonna like this. What else I got? Oh, these are for me too. I'm gonna have to try them on, wash them and try them on when I get home, but they're just some Lucky Brand white shorts. And this is for Waylon. A Champion hoodie. Looks like it is in excellent condition. So the vast majority of my kids' clothes their entire life has been thrifted, and so far, you know, as they've gotten older, they really do not care. They also really like to shop, with the exception of Waylon, who hates to shop. So it kind of works out where they get lots of new clothes often, and I don't have to shop as often. Just every now and then, as a little treat, we go find a few new items. So their closet is kind of like mine, where it's, you know, just a mix of thrifted items and new items. We're actually rolling out the carts I was standing at, so I'm gonna wait for them to fill these carts, and I'm gonna dig through those, and then I'm going to head out for the day because I have a cart full of goodies. I might have to come in the middle of the day more often. All right, those new bins were all closed, so I'm gonna head out for the day, but I haven't been here long, and this was a very good trip. Y'all let me know, what was your favorite item that I thrifted today? I think for mine, it's this little art piece. How cute is that? I love it so much. Fran, what are you doing? Oh yeah? Ren, this way. Are you stuck? Oh, there you are. All right, I'm gonna head out, get to all the other work I have to do today. I hope y'all enjoyed this trip, and I will put a total on the screen for y'all. They have a lot of workout equipment right now over here if y'all are looking for that. I'm in line to check out, and I just noticed this at the front of the store. It is a ginormous carved turtle. I might have to send my husband a picture of this. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. I think that's the base of it, and then here's the hands. Wow.